What's up, guys? Welcome back to Byte Forge. Today we have two new flips for you. One of them was an HP like work desktop type of deal that we will turn into an HP Omen that I had laying around. The second flip was a 375 1080 Ti deal. The full setup came with the monitor, the mouse, keyboard, and a tower. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Stick around for the full video. Appreciate you.
Another day, another deal. Watch this old rig glow up. Turn the scraps into stacks. We build it, we test it, we flip it. PC Flip Squad, let's go. Flip it, flip it, flip it, flip. That flip. Better flip it, better flip it, flip that read. RGB drip, make the puppet go big. Flip, flip, flip that PC quick. Turn my build to a whole new script. Find a deal on the low, that's the score. Swat the GPU, now they want more. Cable, clean airflow, hardcore. Frame rates rising, watch it soar. Listen online, pics too crisp. Eating ends blowing up, how much is this? Test bench lit, never gonna miss. Every part we touch, turn to profit, yeah, that's split. Pick it up, pick it down, price go up, new place, new fans. Level up, marketplace, me seal the deal. Cash in hand, that's a thrill. Gotta better flip these PCs, turn an old rig to a beast with ease. Force 24 off, now they believe. We build dreams, then we leave. Flip it, flip all day. Turn yesterday, turn this payday. You play games, we make games play. SES up, oh, check all way. Flip it, flip all day. Turn yesterday, turn this payday. You play games, we make games play. If we just flip all way. Flip that, pack that soul. RGB lights make the price look gold. Flip it, that, stack that, pack that go. Back too fat, can't fold. Flip it, that, flick that, pack that soul. RGB lights make the price look gold. Flip it, that, stack that, pack that go. Back too fat, can't fold. Liquid cool, plus stay chill. Cables braid, that's a flex for real. RAM on sync, that's highlight real. One more flip, next bill seal. Power supply, gotta check that watt. New SSD, make it launch on the spot. Add some fans, raise that wattage a notch. TikTok real, show the goal we got from trash to Twitcher. That's our lane. Revive brings like a brand new game. FPS boost, never the same. Flip that PC, that's our fame. Flip, gotta flip, keep stacking. New parts in, we not slacking. Rip, gotta flip, keep stacking. Old squad rich from tech and passion. Flick it. Gotta flip, like Wayne. Gotta sleep, P, dread, jokes up, PC, dukes. Flick it, flip that PC, crank to the blow, solo, what's a loose bang. Flip it, flip all day. Turn yesterday's tech to today's payday. We don't play games, we make games play. FPS cycle, flip all white day. Flip it, flip all day. Turn yesterday's tech to today's payday. We don't play games, we make games play. FPS up, pull check on the way to the flex to the on the way to the flex to the FPS up, pull check on the way to the
Gotta flip, gotta flip, gotta get that money, flip, flip, flip. Yeah, we flip, watch it hit, never quit, run it quick, stack that bag, make it big, flip, flip, flip. Wake up, hustle, no days off, turn that dream to a paid off job. Risk it, boss moves, never stay lost. We don't do slow, only take off. Counting coins to the bankroll stage, turn a little bit to a whole upgrade. Eyes on the price, every deal we chase, double that bag like copy paste. Every win, stack it high, every loss, multiply. We ain't here just to try, we here to rise, alright. Flip, gotta flip, all day, turn a small check to a payday. We ain't broke, we just prepaid. Make it rain, now we make waves. Gotta flip, let's roll. Turn a nickel to the gold, that's goals. From the booth to the bank we go. We the CEO or the cash grow. Flip, 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 flip it real quick. Bag so heavy, need a forklift. Flip, 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 flip it real quick. Turn one play to a whole script. God writes full, every deal too clean. From nothing to the top, whole movie scene. We upgrade life like a new machine. And the haters all mad cause we live in the dream. Take that chance, then add two more. Level up, that's all we know. Where we end up, we don't know. But the bag gon' grow, for sure. Flip, 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 yeah. Flip, 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 yeah. Whole squad rich, no cap. Flip, 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 flip that. Money in the chat, we like that. Flip, 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 flip that. Whole squad rich, no cap.
Yeah, Byte Forge in the lab. RGB glow, no cap. Nah, turning dust into racks. Every flip got facts. Yeah, flip a rig, make it roar. Byte Forge, we build a score. RGB lights on the floor. Turn a broke box to a war. Money stacking like coal lines, benchmark hitting like mines. Every build one of a kind. Bite forge grind all the time. For the tint every tie, that's the glow up. Fresh pace, no dust when we show up. Refurb, reboot, make it blow up. FPS jump in when we load up. Rise and chip, got the torch. Flip fast, never short. From a pawn shop score to the porch. Now the bank say, damn your lord. Flip a rig, make it roar. Bite forge, we build a score. RGB lights on the floor. Turn a broke box to a wall. Money stacking like coal line. Benchmark hitting like mine. Every build one of a kind. Bite forge, grind all the time. Bite forge, grind all the time. Spin like we in a race. Throws low, we don't chase. Micro center, eBay to base. Turn trash parts to a case. Giant want frames, we deliver. FPS high, make them shiver. From the basement to the figures. Bite forge, born go getter. Lights flashing when I post that short. GPU gleam, that sport. New drop, yeah, I'll import. Build heat, but my 10 stay short. Flip a rig, make it roar. Bite forge, we better score. RGB lights on the floor. Money stacking like coal line. Benchmark hitting like mine. Every build one of a kind. Fight forge, grind all the time. I'm on your grind. Yeah, forge that buy from.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's flips. The $50 HP Omen literally sold like 15 minutes after I posted it online with another computer. The Cyber Power we did a couple weeks ago. The 1080 Ti full setup is listed right now. That thing's a beast too. For the HP Omen and the Cyber Power total, we spent roughly around $300 and we made about $520 on that. So that's $220 profit. Like, subscribe, comment, and tell me if you guys would buy these or pick them up. And yeah, see you guys next time.